All right, ladies and gentlemen, a few hours have gone by. Now let's go ahead and take a look outside. We are in the middle of a blizzard. It has calmed down just a little bit though. I can barely open this door. It's really coming down right now. Biggest snowstorm in New York the past few years. It's officially here. Gonna lie to y'all. I don't know how I'm getting to work tomorrow, but I'll figure it out. We got somebody shoveling some snow, but I can hear them, but I can't see them. I'll take that back. There he is. Whoa. Welcome. Until next time, God bless and good day. Look what this is doing to my door. Check this out. Yeah, this is a heavy door too. All right, God bless and good day. Bye-bye.